Welcome to the course Mastering Data Structures and Algorithms using C Programming. The number one goal of this course is to make sure you are absolutely prepared more logical in understanding data structures and algorithms from zero to hero. Hi, I am Achyut Kumar, the course instructor. I did my masters from NIT Calicut. I got All India rank 440 with 99.97 percentile. I have 3 years experience as database developer and 7 years experience as faculty in top institutes in India, where trained thousands of students for bettering their career. In this course, we are going to explore each data structure and algorithms from very basic and reaching maximum depth possible. In data structures, we are going to discuss topics arrays, stacks, queues, linked list, trees, AVL trees, graphs, and hashing. And in algorithms, we are going to discuss asymptotic notations, time complexity calculation, divide and conquer strategy, greedy method, dynamic programming, searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, and many miscellaneous topics where we are going to discuss many algorithms in many directions actually. So actually in the miscellaneous topics we are going to see many things. So course is going to continuously update whatever topics is not mentioned in this. For every data structure we are going to discuss their operations very clearly with pseudocode and implementing them in C programming. This course is not only discussing dozens of examples for every data structure and algorithms in all directions, but also makes sure to understand tricks behind solving each question so that you will perform better in your academics or interview or most importantly in your career. Approximately 70% of the course discussed on whiteboard, which will give you live classroom feeling, and around 30% of the course discussed on IDE for coding, and very rarely we discussed with the slides. So basing on the concept, best possible presentation is selected. Who can take this course? The students who are in academics, who are preparing for interviews, who want to improve their coding skills, who want to excel in software field, and who are willing to learn these data structures and algorithms. So for what you are waiting, sign up today and become a cutting edge engineer who will be preparing to get high paying jobs. You are always safe side since you have 30-day money back guarantee. Thank you my dear friends. I look forward to see you in the course for subject discussion.